So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of Curry and Braden's home on the inside. I do have a video that I'm working on, a start to finish shed to home video, and we will see that once the outside is totally complete. But for now, we're going to head on inside and check things out. All right, you guys. So if you are a longtime viewer of Flipping the Farm and have watched from day one, all 80 weeks through, you will have seen us working on a shed to home for our daughter Curry and her husband Braden and their sweet baby girl Greenlee. This simply started out as a 16 by 60 shed, an empty shed, and we have, together with some others, created a beautiful home for this sweet little family. And it is so incredibly beautiful and just so well done. Together, Curry and Braden made a lot of decisions on paint, decor, flooring, fixtures, and it's just so incredible. And I do hope that you enjoy this walkthrough. Now you may notice a few high-end items here, such as quartz countertops and custom cabinets. They plan to live here for a very long time, so they didn't want to go super inexpensive. They just wanted it to be pretty much what they wanted right here and now. The custom cabinets were just incredible, solid wood, extremely well built, and custom painted as well. And then, like I mentioned, the quartz countertops are just simply beautiful. The backsplash is amazing. There are some little things that are still in the works, but overall it is done. They're beautiful faucets and light fixtures, just really added special touches. Curry had a lot of fun picking things out, and Braden just supported her the whole way through, from their pendant lights to doorknobs, door handles, things like that. And it's just decisions like this as first-time homeowners that make it so incredibly special. I love that they chose such a light flooring along with all these wonderful windows and doors, light, bright, and airy. You'll notice that their paint color, it is Chantilly lace, which is a Benjamin Moore color, and that is what they went with throughout the house. You may also notice there are no lights on. It is just all that natural light coming through. There was a little bit of a concern from some, them going with such a light, bright white, that it would just be too white. But Curry is a very simple person and a minimalist, so this definitely gave it the modern minimal feel for sure. I love that they chose a larger shower tile. It just helps enlarge the space, and it is really beautiful with those black fixtures and black accents. Now moving on into Greenlee's room, you'll notice here the open concept closet. She wanted to be able to put the dresser in there, changing table for now, and yet keep it open so that it didn't seem so closed in and crowded, and just gave the room a larger appearance, especially with the amazing window that you're about to see. I love that this is so sweet and simple and yet something she can grow with. Now moving back through their living room space. Again, notice these amazing windows. Yes, they do have to deal with the evening sun, but they put up some amazing blinds and blackout curtains that really help. But natural light is just so great. They went with windows in their hallway, and again, it just opened the space up so well. Their laundry room, obviously utility closet as well, houses the water heater, the HVAC unit, and their stackable washer and dryer. They do plan to put some shelves in there as well, but again, just one of those projects that we will get to eventually. Just past the laundry room, you entered their master bedroom, and they also went with the open concept closets in this room as well. And they're both very neat and organized, and so they're not really ever concerned about how that's going to look. This space is so amazing. They had the ceilings vaulted in this room like they did in the living room, and it just really gave the room height, and you would never know that you were standing in what was once a storage shed. I think they made great use of their space. They together worked on their floor plan and had help from others laying that all out, and just did a really great job putting it all together and figuring out exactly what they wanted. Now we're going to move into their master bath, and this is the only light I have turned on in this video, which is above the shower, because there are no windows in this area. But again, going with the Chantilly lace paint just gave the whole place a very open, airy feel. Their shower tile is very large and creates the appearance of an even bigger shower. This is about a 40 by 40, so a very nice size shower. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this minimal to modern shed to home tour. All the links to their fixtures, ceiling fans, drawer pulls, door handles, doorknobs, you name it. All those things will be listed down in the comments below. And like I mentioned earlier, this is not our average Flipping the Farm vlog. We would love for you to check out our Flipping the Farm playlist if this is your first time here. If you're a repeat viewer, please know that we'll be back to our normal work routine next week. But again, we hope you enjoyed this home tour of Curry and Braden's that you all have been long awaiting. Also, please know that I will be posting a start to finish, beginning to end shed to home video as soon as we get the outside completed. And if you have any questions, please drop those for us in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we hope you have a blessed week.